What's up, guys?
TF.
Back for Chainsaw Man episode 2.
Talented forever.
Boy, are we excited.
Are we excited? Thoughts on the first episode? You already heard them.
Yeah, I mean,
It was pretty good.
You can go check out our first episode reaction.
New animation style, CGI with
CGI heavy.
roto shot, roto something, ROTO,
Rotoscope.
rotoscope.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
It's a beautiful blend. Some of those shots looked lifelike. There was the one shot where he was just walking through the forest in the beginning.
That shit look good.
I was like, "Is this Google Maps?" Like it looked that good to me.
Is this Google?
I really like
Maps?
how
It
they
looked
do
good.
forests and stuff. The
Yeah.
green scenery is like really
You know what else looked good? New hair. Pew.
That is true.
Y'all have yet actually they've
Yeah, no.
never seen me with short hair, so this is a brand new
Never?
roto to y'all. No, yeah.
No, literally. Our AOT or our Demon Slayer video, he says long hair. I remember because I did the
Damn.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
last year I
I'm-
was still at the apartment.
New year, new
So I
hair.
started growing it out, so it was poofy.
Yeah, it was.
Because AOT ended just last year, right?
Your head feel cold?
It did. I literally walked out yesterday because it was right after sunset.
That's everything.
I felt a cold breeze. I was like, oh shit.
Gotta put on a jacket.
So can we get at least
2
maybe
likes. Can we get 2 likes?
2 likes for the new haircut. How about it?
You know what? I'm
Hey,
thinking 3.
2 likes from each person, though.
3 likes? 3 likes?
4 likes. 4 likes.
All right, smash that.
Not
like.
5 though. That's a little too much.
6 though.
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed.
Last episode was, you know, I mean,
Good start.
we saw the origin of Denji
Really good.
and Pochita, or not Pochita anymore, but now, you know, Denji transformed
R.I.P.
or merged with Pochita and now got taken away by Makima. Is that her name?
I thought that was
Yes.
Power. I don't know
Okay.
who any of these characters
To
are.
the what was the organization?
Society.
Public
No.
service.
Public service.
Public service. Something
Yeah.
really
Public safety.
Oh,
Devil on
yeah.
there. Public safety.
Just a real quick reminder, manga readers, TF Savvy, TF Zanoa,
Sadly.
I read the first chapter, but after this, I don't know anything that happened, so I'm completely blind for this. So I have no idea what's going on.
Expectations.
Nothing.
I don't know what is.
I just want to see Power. I've heard a lot about Power. I want to see Power.
Power.
Power. I don't know. I want to see.
Honestly, don't remember how this goes, but like when stuff happens, I'm probably gonna be like, oh yeah.
This episode should explain like what the rest of the series should look like. Hopefully, this first episode is just the first episode, you know.
Hook.
The hook.
Hook. Really
It's the
good.
thesis statement right
No,
there,
this-
bruh.
No, this episode's gonna be my hook.
That's
I
the
want to see
back
like
end
what's
hook.
going on.
Yeah. I think we can just go ahead and get right into it. How about we do it? Don't we do? All right, season 1, episode 2, Arrival in Tokyo.
Who the fuck?
Is that a? Oh,
It's Power. I love you. Who's this again?
Makima.
Best
Bro,
girl.
give him
bro.
a shirt.
君名前は
デンジス
先に一つ言っておねデンジ君はこれから私に飼われることになります
I wonder if she's really gonna treat him like a dog. We saw him getting walked on a leash in the
逃
intro.
げなんていう犬はいらない
Oh no! What the?
鑑識課の知り合いから聞いたんだけど使えないうちの犬は安楽死させられるんだって
Nice.
I watched this intro a lot more because I saw all the movie references and stuff, which I thought were really cool. That's like so cool they did that.
Yeah, I didn't catch him at all either. I feel like this intro.
It's been growing on me.
I don't know.
hasn't grown on me yet.
'Cause I think I've watched like a couple times too now.
It's like
Shout
the
out
AOT
Eric.
intro. The first one.
He
for
says
season
that it
4.
doesn't match
Yeah.
the whole thing of this anime and its story. I was like, I kind of agree on that, but like, Chainsaw Man is a lot of blah, you know? Oh, you don't.
Yeah, all over the place. I can feel you. Like from the panels I've seen, it seems like it's really like weird.
But yeah, it kind of matches, in my opinion. Oh, was that? Him cracking the egg? What was that?
The dance.
Well,
Nice.
Aki.
It's like Itadori and Nobara and then Megami.
I saw some people talking about that. But instead of making me like What the fuck? These guys like vibing with him.
いいよ私はカレーうどんください
Ooh, that sounds so good. I'm hungry.
レンジ君大丈夫
He know what he was doing.
Come on.
Look at him.
レンジ君
What the fuck?
チェーンソーで自分の体も切れちゃって
The music?
もう知りたくないっすよ
Ah, so
He's
cute.
really big. Yeah, he looked way bigger right there.
君の状態は歴史的に見ても前例がとても少ないよ名前もまだついてないくらいにね
First of his kind?
そ
They're just rare.
信じる
Yeah.
And history, though.
私は特別に鼻が利くんだ
Tanjiro ass.
だか
Sorry.
らわかる君の親友は君の中で生きてる
I knew Pochita
ロ
wasn't
マン
dead.
的な意味じゃなく
うどん食っていいっすか
大丈夫一人で食べれる
食べる
Nah.
Should have said no.
食べれません
はいあ
It went off that.
He lived his dream.
yeah,
Yeah.
あ
he's a freaking he's like one of those guys who just watches the female tub streamers on Twitch.
Hey,
あの
that's where all
I was
money
like,
went.
tough. What does that mean?
好きな男のタイプとかあります
He's going for it.
Look at him.
I like guys who are devils.
send me.
デンジ君みたい
Oh
my
god!
Oh yeah, this is the
Living
degenerate.
He
his
is
dream.
bricked up
That's
right
me.
now. Teacher, don't make me
Dude, what would
stand up.
happen if? Oh my god. That's a dope guy.
Living his life. Never mind.
好きな男のタイプとか
Ever since
デンジ君みたいな
Dang, she pranked him. Oh, she didn't prank him.
俺も行こ
So you're dog number 1005.
うそういう行為もできるんじゃしてそういう行為して
Oh, she's just like, dang,
デンジ
he is horny.
Yeah, honestly.
うちは基本制服だからこれ着てね
Gotta show him
着
the
替えたら
dreams.
君の同僚に合わせるから
That boy Aki.
彼の名前は早川秋デンジ君より3年先輩
He looks
今
cool.
日は
not just say
早川
3 years
君について
ago.
いきな
俺マキマさん
It's
と
his
一緒に
trainee
仕事するんじゃない
or
ん
his
すか
trainer.
そんなわけないだろお前とマキマさんとじゃ格が違う今あり行くぞ
That's Makima's strongest there?
立て
Definitely has status.
俺はマキマさんと仕事するんだ
Bro, I would be the
Simple
same
fool
way.
Windsor.
I would be the same way.
Always dog.
Bro, here you go.
Makima,
He
bro.
just got a way of talking, bro. I don't know what it is.
マキマさんって
Nah, bro, he's desperate.
Yeah, me.
なよ
Damn.
ちょっと来い
Damn. Just beating him up.
Don't. No way.
It's like he's read it.
Honestly, I didn't even. I
Oh
don't
my
know.
god.
That came out of me naturally, but it happened. Like I said, I don't really remember.
Bro,
like,
stand up.
Everything.
Get up, let him up.
Dang. I'm gonna let him get
Yeah,
down
she
from
got
your
a
face.
boyfriend.
Pull that string right
And it
now.
ain't you.
お前仕事やめろ
Look at
明
him.
日に来たらまたボコるから
Oh.
なんでだよお前さマキマさん目当てでデビルハンター
Part of it.
Nah, yeah, not
ピンポ
really.
ーンじゃあ殴って正解だったな
Dang.
Dang.
He has
Yes,
accuracy.
マキマさん
Yeah.
だから言っといてやるお前は悪魔にビビって逃げたってな
Now what you're not
He's
gonna
about to fight him
do.
right here.
Bro, these chain smokers, bro.
He wasn't even done with that, bro.
Got him.
Don't play with him, bro.
Finish
優しい人
him.
なんだなおい俺は
Music.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Damn.
It's nuts or nothing. Damn.
Bro,
Yeah,
no
that ain't
kids
her
for that guy.
boyfriend no
Close your
more,
legs,
bro.
bruh.
Bro,
Why is he-
Guard that
Yeah,
shit,
right? Bro, you know it's coming.
He's been training for
He
3
said
years,
it's
bro.
nuts or nothing.
He can't even-
Yeah, he's done. There's no way he gets up.
It's like 3 crits.
He's gonna be.
What happened?
Pretty good training.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に頼む嘘ですこいつの嘘です
By the nut devil.
どう仲良くできそう
一緒に住むことになったどっかに逃げたら殺していいって言われてるから
Making him fight him.
He knows his tactics.
Imagine a chainsaw up the nuts, bro. Oh no.
Oh, man.
マキマさんって悪い俺の命の恩人だ
Little backstory there.
3 years
Huh?
ago.
What'd you say?
So this music's hidden.
They said this dude's hidden. I was like,
もう一回抱きてえな
hmm.
いちごジャム
All the
梅
jam.
ジャムオレンジジャムに
Oh, we're jealous.
バターと蜂蜜
You got the
あ
I worked here for
とシナモン
3 years.
Yo, he's making the best toast
Damn.
ever.
あ
He's living life now.
How many fucking jams they got?
ーワオワオワオワオワオワオワオ
He's living his dream.
So they moved in together?
Yeah.
それは長いんだよ
He shit. Man. He fell asleep.
Bro, I've been there.
Aki with his hair down.
Bro, you didn't even. Gosh,
Did he clog the toilet?
Use
Use
all
all
of
of
the
it.
paper.
We're gonna see. What's his name? What's his name? Aki.
Yeah.
I want to see him go off or do something. I want to see what his power is. He got the sword.
お前
Slaughter
義務
demon?
教育受けてないのかおお受けてねえよ
I don't remember this motherfucker having an axe.
人の死体を乗っ取った悪魔それがマシンだ
You get a fiend. Explanations.
おおそれじゃ俺マシンじゃね違うマシンは頭の形状が特徴的だ
So it's when the human doesn't willingly take the body or give the body up.
They just get possessed.
Yeah,
Okay.
basically.
力を見せるよ
He was given life.
Right.
Ain't no way he can transform right here.
They made a deal.
Who?
Not them, Dingy and what's his name? Pochita.
おい
I feel like that was way too easy.
俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された
Backstory.
下にいる警察とも飲みに行ったことあるけど
Touchy.
奥さんとか子供を守るために命がけで仕事をしてる
Music is
お
gonna
前
be a
は
recurring
全員
theme.
本気なんだよ俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してやりたいぜお前は悪魔と仲良しになりたいのか友達になれる悪魔がいたらなりてえ俺友達いねえの
He lost his friend, bruh.
覚えてくぜ
Yeah, how can you say that to him? Well, I guess he doesn't know his best friend was a devil.
Yeah, he does.
I don't know. He was told like he merged with a devil, but he
And he
doesn't know
knew
the
it was a
feelings.
捨てちゃったよ
Doesn't know the feelings.
本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけなのにチェンソー
There's no way.
血飛び散って汚れちまうからな楽に殺してやったんだこれはもらっていくぜもう100点の成立なのなんか足りない気がする
I was gonna say, yeah, I feel like everything that like
マジでマジの
was his dream he's already got. So
あ
what
いつは
more
きっと復讐的なあれだ
could
あ
there
いつ
be?
らは家族
Get everyone else's their dream.
Sustaining it.
Sustain.
マキマさんなんかあんのかマキマさんも
This fucking man focuses on their fucking
飲んで
titties.
みて
Nice. The panel I wanted.
You know, if this is a story about him like helping other people with his dreams, that'd be so cool. Cause I've never seen an
昔の
anime
俺
like
には
that.
無理だと諦め
That's
て
his
た
dream.
今のまともな仕事してる俺が
It's just Meliodas.
いきなり女抱くのは俺には難しい。でも胸なら強い意志と行動力があ
I've
る
never gotten this far. I never saw the light until now.
そういうことだったんだ。
Nah.
俺の 本気俺のゴールそれは胸だ
胸と
MC vibes.
おい話聞けバカ
He has his
Hey,
goal.
he has a
ケン
goal.
ジ君には今日からバディを組んでもらう
バディ
公安では小規模任務とかパトロールは安全のため2人1組で行
Yeah.
動することに
Oh,
なってるんだ
oh, oh.
ちょうどよかった来たみたい気をつけてね
I really like her voice
無
actor.
人だからおうおう気がした人間わしの名はパーバディとやらはうなか
It fits her character.
パー名前パーつうか魔人なの魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか
Hey, somebody kill all of them.
まあいいかよろしくね
He only has
魔
one
人
goal.
は悪魔と同じ駆除対象なんだけどパワーちゃんは理性が高いから早川君が
Highly
やってみたん
rational.
だ前にも言ったけど公安大麻とクイオンカは実験的な部隊なの
So we got a
結
devil
果が出せなかったら
and a
すぐに
fiend.
でも上の方々に解体しちゃうかもしれない
And a dude.
そうなったら君たちがどうなるかはわかるよね
That is a weird bunch.
And his job is to make sure they don't go crazy.
パワ
Expressive.
ーちゃんは頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロール
So it actually is a little bit pink.
Her hair?
Or her skin.
We're gonna get into a big fight.
But it's like not
So-
her.
We said it's just them two?
Yeah, it's a two-person unit.
Yeah.
I thought Aki was with them. He's the third
He's
person.
the head.
There's a couple people.
He's the unit leader.
Alright, so they're gonna get to
I
the
think
fight by
they're just
themselves,
under.
and then Aki comes to save.
Oh,
Must be to see Power go up.
Oh. Oh, it's the trailer.
Bitch!
Hey!
Nice.
Oh my god.
You seen that? Does she like use her blood
Yeah.
to make it? That was pretty.
Oh my god. What did I get myself
He's
into?
like, what the fuck? Y'all actually want her boob?
Ooh.
Oh, that's the actual ending.
Yo, Dami mommy for real.
Or is it just this?
How much is that?
Isn't this Eve's?
It sounds like
It sounds like Eve.
Yeah.
Eve is goated, you know, Eve.
Nope.
Damn.
I was gonna have different outros. Like,
Get pranked. I thought y'all said that.
The first one was
Yeah,
wasn't
but the
like,
first one was just
It was just a
credits,
black
though.
screen. It wasn't like,
With, like,
the
the
visuals.
No, but like I thought y'all said each one was gonna be different.
yeah, like different outros.
We thought just
exactly.
we knew just the song would be different. We didn't know
Oh,
the
okay.
visuals.
this might be Zuto Mayo.
I would like if they like recap like last episode. But, like, Aki, why is it so hard?
Oh, this is definitely Zuto Mayo. If I'm wrong about this.
They go. Akiba.
That's cool.
It is different.
Yo,
Yeah,
come
that's
on
cool.
up.
Yo, Miles Morales.
It's a leap of faith.
You're like, Yuta.
You got power? What you think about power?
To me, this is just
I like her
Jujutsu Kaisen
entrance. I like her voice actor. I think she's good.
And her voice actor, whenever they first showed the trailer, I was like, that's sort of, it like fits her perfectly.
Cool.
Oh, let's see it.
Alright.
I like that episode a lot.
That
No,
episode
Was
was
it better than the first episode?
I think so.
Think so?
Yeah.
The first intro was like,
I think so.
first episode was like a good start. It got me interested in Denji. But then
But it
this
really
ep-
built the world. Or built.
No, it didn't build the world for me.
It built
Well,
the
it did.
characters. I feel like we saw a lot.
Actually,
I
yeah,
think
it
that
did.
built the
It
world
did.
more.
It did. But this one got me interested in like the concept of like
Story?
the story.
Yeah. About a story
That
about
first
a guy
one was
that
the
wants to
intro
test
paragraph. This
Yep.
one's the thesis for you.
That's
Yeah.
his new goal.
Yeah.
This
What?
is the thesis thing.
boobs. Yeah, the whole story, like the basis of the.
It's just to
anime
touch boobs?
Just to touch
That's
boobs.
his whole goal.
That's crazy.
Hey, bro, you telling me you don't want to?
I mean,
MC
I mean, I
vibes.
do.
I mean, I've
The
seen
nice.
like the panels of him like always talking about boobs. I didn't think that'd be like the end goal, which I think is
That's
crazy.
the premise of it.
That's crazy.
Where it
Nice.
starts.
Yep.
He comes to his
Shonen.
own goal and you got another one. I would say the first episode, like I
this
said, I
is
really
called,
like how Pochita combined with Denji. That's a really good moment. But I think this as a whole was a better episode.
Yeah.
I like the characters. The characters are very
Like,
different. You know,
Different.
different like from each other. Like,
Right.
I obviously I feel you have like, I wouldn't even say Power and like Denji are like the same, just because like Denji's more of like the awkward weird, but then like Power's more of like the extrovert, like
Okay.
just chaotic.
Confident, weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, they're both stupid.
Yeah,
They're both dumb.
but like I don't know, and I like. Well, I feel like you have Aki, which is probably like, you know, he's like the Giyu, the Todoroki, you know, the Kakashi, the quiet
Megumi.
character. Yeah, the Megumi. And I guess Makima's. I didn't think Makima would be like the leader. Like, she's not the head of the public safety. She's just like
I don't
a
know.
higher up person. I
She's
guess-
high. She's high.
I think she's
That's
good.
all I'm gonna say.
Okay.
The division leader of Tokyo. I wasn't paying attention during her explanation.
I don't know. She runs some stuff.
I mean, I don't know.
So
What do you think about her?
Who's her?
who? Makima?
Yeah, it's like there's
Oh,
two
you
hers now.
You like how she treats Denji?
Makima.
I'm
She-
trying to
she
realize
can
what
step
you
on
She can
meant.
step on me.
What you said. Well, before this, I was like,
Honestly,
"Is Makima your best girl?" And you were like, or something. Like, you gotta have problems to like her.
She's up there. She's up there.
And now it makes a lot of sense. She's like, you gotta. What's that thing where
He
you
said
gotta
he
be a,
wants
you gotta
her
be a
to step on her.
masochist. You gotta be a masochist.
He
to really
said
like her.
he wants her to step on him. So
Yeah.
That's just-
You gotta
Joyce
like it.
Payne.
Joyce Payne.
I wouldn't say that's masochist though.
But she's like a dog.
You can have some pick.
No, masochism.
But yeah.
She has a very special way to do things. But like, that's what I'm
Spoilers.
How's that spoiled?
Were you telling me her powers?
What do y'all guys think? Do y'all like
She has powers.
episode 1
Power.
or episode 2 better? Let us know.
Episode 2, definitely. It's my vote.
I'm not comparing them. They're both completely different.
They are. Episode 2 is better.
All right. Anything else?
Yeah, I think we're good. Don't forget to like,
Comics.
Subscribe.
and we'll see y'all next time.